Umsolwa wesihlanu ecaleni lokubulawa ka-Gardee Utjhaphululiwe okwanje. Gazi kubanjwe ngosonto wachuka ngembuzo wabotshwa ngelesibili.
I did not to enroll the case based on the fact that they have advised us to go and acquire the expert statement. So what we'll do now, we've got the details of the suspect that we had, and we would get that particular statement. As soon as we've got the statement, then we'll bring the docket back to court.
Izwango basho ithi umsolwa lo uthintwanisa necaleli nge-cellphone nange-laptop.
It means he was to a certain extent involved because the phones or the number was utilized immediately after the death of Miss Gardee, which means that to a certain extent he is knowledgeable about the incident.
Amapholisa sajamile ngilithi umsolwa uyathinteka kuleli cala.